Hello, I am David Kepsel, the National Utility Sales Rep for MBW's utility products. And today we're going to discuss the utility pressure tester. Now the man behind the machine is right here, Ben Paskey. He has been with MBW for 17 years as a project engineer, and he is in charge of all utility products, the paver and the vibratory wheels. Now with further ado, he's gonna go over 3 functions of the pressure tester. Real quick, the first test he's going to do is to ensure that the meter is functioning properly with moderate and slow fires. Secondly, he's going to test the regulator to make sure the utilization of it and the lockup pressures are accurate. Third test he is going to do is he's going to go over the test for the customer piping. So with that, Ben's going to hop on here and go over this. Thank you, Ben.
Thank you, David. This is the meter tester. You'll get it, pressure testers. You'll get it out of the box. You'll notice it has 2 hoses connected to it, an inlet and an outlet. First step you'll want to do is select the appropriate size of adapters. What you want to do is attach the inlet flow of the meter to the outlet of the meter you just installed. Make sure that's nice and snug so there's no leaks. Make sure your rubber gasket's in place. You want to take your gauge, and there is a sampling port on the top here. You'd ever have to do everything upside down and backwards here. And you'd attach the outlet of the pressure tester to the home. We don't have that here, so we'll just let that lay for a minute. With our test rig here, we'll turn on the airflow to the meter, simulating the gas line. Make sure all these are pulled out. Now the first test we'll do is for the moderate fire to test the function of the meter. So what we'll do is we'll turn on the inlet flow. That allows the pressure to come through here and fill the main galley of the pressure tester. And we'll turn on the firing orifice that corresponds with the meter set. This one is a 4-ounce meter. Now you can hear it coming out the back of the meter, the flow, and you can actually see the meter is operating normally. So we'll take that out. That looks good. We'll test the slow fire next. That's this button. And you can see it just barely creeping. So that's looking good. To finish the test, we just pull all the buttons out. Now the next test we'll do is for the pressure regulator. First we want to test the utilization pressure when it's actually being used. So what we'll do is we'll again turn on the inlet flow and the fire orifice that corresponds with the meter set. And you can see we're at about 5.5 inches of water there. And to test the lockup pressure of the regulator, all we'll do is we'll turn that off, and we're seeing we're going to about 8 there. Finally, we'll test the we'll simulate the test for the house plumbing. Again, we'll finish our last test by pulling all the buttons out. For the house, what we'll do is we'll turn on our inlet flow again and turn on our outlet flow. That lets the pressure flow through this manifold into the house plumbing. We'll watch our gauge, and when the pressure equalizes, I'll simulate that by putting my thumb over the end here. Nice seal on there. We'll then turn off our inlet flow, removing the source of pressure, and we'll keep an eye on that gauge there. If it drops down, like I'm removing my finger now, you can see that there's a leak in the house. But if it stays on, you know that the plumbing's good. These are 3 simple tests done with a nice compact unit. And that's all you get, David.
Well, thanks, Ben.